Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys in my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Tecno phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys Tecno phone app lock setting, and today friends we will talk about guys how to disable app lock on Tecno mobile. Friends, you don't want to use app lock setting on your device, so friends how to disable app lock on Tecno mobile in this video we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, first of all open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your Tecno mobile. Friends, click on Tecno phone security setting, and then friends click on app lock setting, and guys draw your app lock pattern lock. So friends, I will draw pattern, and friends which app friends you want to lock. Friends, you want to unlock any app on your device, so you can unlock your app, and friends right side guys you can lock apps on your Tecno phone device. So friends, we will click right side setting icon. Friends, you want to change your applock password, you can change applock password. Friends, you want to reset your security quotient, you can reset your security quotient. So friends, we will click on enable applock setting and turn off applock. Click here, and friends come back. Friends, now you can see. So friends, now you cannot use applock. Friends, you can see we don't have any applock password. Friends, you want to use again. Friends, you will have to set pattern lock, and then you can use guys applock on your Tecno phone device. And friends, you can check guys all app is unlocked. As you can see all app is unlocked on our device. So like that friends, we can disable app lock setting on Tecno phone device. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video. Friends, now do you have any doubt, do you have any problem, do you have any doubt on your device, so you can ask me in comment section friends. I will check, I will help you. Bye bye friends.